Hello everyone, my name is Swati Shalika and in this video I will tell you about different stages of sewage treatment or different stages of wastewater treatment. Okay, we have already discussed microbial analysis of water and water treatment processes for public supply. Remember? So we have discussed about फिजिकल केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल मेथड. ओके, मतलब अभी तक हमने सिर्फ प्रोसेसेस पढ़ लिए हैं कि किस किस तरीके से हम वाटर को ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, प्यूरिफाई कर सकते हैं. राइट, अब वाटर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एक ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट बनाया जाता है. ठीक है, जिसमें अलग अलग स्टेजेस होते हैं और अलग अलग स्टेजेस में अलग अलग प्रोसेसेस जो हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ रखा है, लाइक फिजिकल प्रोसेस और केमिकल प्रोसेस और बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस, ये सारे प्रोसेसेस को अलग अलग स्टेज में, ठीक है, यूज़ किया जाता है वाटर को ट्रीट करने के लिए. तो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ दिस सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट. मीन्स कौन से स्टेज में कौन सा प्रोसेस यूज किया जाता है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. एक जो अरेंजमेंट होता है वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट का, वो कैसा होता है. ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली कन्वेंशनल वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फिजिकल, केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस एंड ऑपरेशंस टू रिमूव सॉलिड and organic matter. Right. The general terms used to describe different stages or degrees of treatment in order to increasing treatment level are preliminary treatment, this one, then primary treatment, then secondary treatment, or you can say advanced wastewater treatment. In some countries, disinfection to remove pathogens sometimes follows the last treatment step. Okay, the first is preliminary treatment. This stage or this treatment is also called as screening stage. Here, under this preliminary treatment, screening of wastewater is done. Screening removes large objects like sticks, broken bottles and other large solid waste that may clog or damage the treatment plant. Okay. Now second is primary treatment. This involves the separation of organic solid matter, generally human waste, from the wastewater. Okay, this is done by putting the wastewater into large settlement tanks for solid to sink to the bottom of the tank. The settled solids are called as sludge. Okay. At the bottom of these circular tanks, large scrappers continuously scrap the floor of the tank and push the sludge towards the center, where it is pumped away for further treatment. The rest of the water is then moved to the secondary treatment. Okay. Now, primary treatment consists of sedimentation, which occurs in primary settling tanks, and second coagulation, which occurs in secondary settling tanks. This is primary clarifier. It is also called as primary settling tank, and this is secondary clarifier, also called as secondary settling tank. Okay, and third is flocculation. So these are the processes जो प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट में किए जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट. व्हाट इज दिस? The water at this stage is put into a large rectangular tank. Okay. These are called aeration lanes or aeration tank. This one. Air is pumped into the water from this side. Okay. Air is pumped into the water to encourage bacteria to break down the tiny bits of sludges that escape the sludge scraping process. Okay. Secondary treatment consists of following processes. First is activated sludge, as it is aerobic treatment. Okay. So first should be activated sludge process, second is oxidation ponds, and third is lagoons, and fourth is trickling filter. Okay. All these processes comes under which process? These processes comes under biological aerobic treatment. Okay. Now fourth stage, which is called as tertiary treatment. Almost treated wastewater is passed through a settlement tank. Here more sludge is formed at the bottom of the tank from the settling of the bacterial action. Again, the sludge is scrapped and collected for treatment. The water at this stage is almost free from harmful substances. Okay. The water is allowed to flow over a wall where it is filtered through a bed of sand to remove additional particles. The filtered water is then released into the river. Tertiary treatment consists of following processes and units. First is membrane filtration and separation, and second is dechlorination and disinfection system. Third is reverse osmosis system. Fourth is ion exchange, and fifth is activated carbon adsorption process. And last is physical and chemical treatment. So this is all about different stages of water treatment or sewage treatment. Okay. I hope I made myself clear.